am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Hi everybody. I forgot my card for the camera, so I'm using my cell phone. Thanks for watching last week's video. It got a lot of views. Really nice shout out from Wabi Sab. I really appreciate that, Elliot. You know, you always blow up my Instagram. I had to just turn the phone off last night because of all the notifications. So thank you for that. We got our bath faucet in. We got it from Signature Hardware, and it seems like a really nice built one. It's very heavy. It's pretty simple design. Hot and cold valves look like this. Again, very heavy, very well made, it seems. It comes with a little shower thing. You can see this. But this is for a bathtub, right? So no one's going to be actually using this as a handheld shower in the bathtub. What this is going to be used for is to clean the bathtub. You know, you turn the water on, then you can rinse it down after you clean it. A lot of the handheld showers that come with these types of setups are big round shower heads. And this one is just really little. It'll just kind of sit off to the side. It's not really going to be too intrusive. That's that.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with.
I'm in the bathroom downstairs. This right here is the P-trap to the bathtub. And when I go to hook that assembly together, it's gonna push down a little bit. And I don't have anybody down here to hold it because I have 0 friends. So what I'm gonna do, or try to do, is kind of screw a board up there. So that should help me. I can put a lot of pressure down on that and it won't come out. The things you do when you've got no friends. Believe it's ready. I have a gut feeling like something's going to leak here just because of how difficult it was. If it does, it's not the end of the world. Without further ado, I'm gonna dump 1 gallon of water down here and listen for dripping. And we're just gonna see. I don't see any here or down here, which is the most likely place to leak is right here. A really good start. I'll feel it. Don't feel anything here. Feel that there's cold water in this trap now, which is really nice. Everything seems good. Looking like success. Nothing obviously is leaking there. Now, we don't just test it once and then just go on our happy little way and assume that everything's gonna be perfect, do we? No. We're gonna be running water down that tub every single weekend that I'm here for multiple weekends, and keeping down below all opened up. So if it ever drips, I'll know. For now, that's working good, just great. It's a really good feeling. Now I'm tempted to want to hook up the water lines next. I don't know how easy or difficult it is. You know, I've never done it.
in my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why.
I have this all hooked up and it should work and it might not leak. A lot going on up in here. The only thing I'm not super happy with, other than it might leak, is that these braided cords, when you're tightening them, it's hard not to kink. That's as tight as I can get them without kinking them. Here goes nothing. Kid's tub on. Let's go check for leaks. All right, I'm going home. I'm super tired. Morning, everybody. Sunday morning. Not too early, not too late. Really bad about recording yesterday, so sorry that I don't have a lot of the footage there. This here is the wood from the kitchen downstairs when we demoed the kitchen. We have approximately, I'm gonna say 120 to 130 square foot of this stuff. Tongue and groove. It's beautiful. I love this stuff. But I think it's gonna look really good. And it's gonna give us the look that we want, which is old, not new, salvaged. Yeah, and then, you know, honestly, if we don't like it, there's plenty of room here. I can throw up more cement board and then tile over top of the wood. You hate to do that for a lot of reasons, but if you had to, you have to, right? So we would be able to do that. But I want to give the wood a chance, and it's not a huge area, just around this tub. If it doesn't look good, like I said, we'll tile it. Got to give it a chance. I don't have forever, because we do have some stuff that we want to do today. It's 10 o'clock. Wow, I only have a couple hours, maybe 3 hours at the most, so I really got to stop talking. I'm going to be doing a lot of time-lapse stuff, and I hope you enjoy. I'm getting really used to not getting done. I just wrote on my ceiling. When you do something for the first time, it's just such a learning curve. And I go so slow. So I didn't get done as much as I would have liked to. I got the cement board around the tub. It's secured and double siliconed and mudded. Just really wanted to red guard things today, but as always, there's something going on that the kids really want to go to. It's like a little festival kind of thing. It's pretty cool. They got animals there and tractors, but they want to go to that, and I've been working a lot this weekend on the house, even though I don't feel like I've done anything. I've been here a lot. So I'm gonna go and do what they want to do here. You know, whatever. This gives me time to think about it. It gives me time to plan. All this stuff will set up nice before I go to mess with it. So next weekend should be waterproofing, and then hopefully by then I'll have a good idea of how I want this tile to look too. But that's it for today. Only working weekends is not the way to feel like you're accomplishing something. Thanks for bearing with me and putting up with the extremely slow process of redoing an old house. Appreciate it. We'll see you all later. Have a great week.